If you use the SketchUp template that I've provided, you'll see that what I've created here is a component out of an object, and if you click on one side of this abdomen of an ant, you'll see the component has a blue cube around the outside of it. If you double click it, you can go into the component and you can edit it. So we're learning to use the push-pull tool. This is set up so there's a duplicate of the component and it's mirrored, so when you edit one side, the other side is going to reflect it. So the push-pull tool will extrude the face out. The scale tool, which is accessed just by hitting S when you're on the face, can be used to modify the face, scale it up and down. In the center of our scene, you'll see there's a semicircle that I've created, and I've made a component out of that. If you open up the component menu, you'll see down the bottom of that menu there's a semicircle ready to extrude. If you drag that out, it'll appear on the interface, and if you double click it, you can go in and edit it, and it will be mirrored with the other duplicates. So this is ready for you to extrude, but what we're going to do is duplicate it by going Command C, Command V, hit scale. So to scale, we hit S, and then we're going to grab the anchor point here and drag it across until we see the scale go to -1. Then we're ready to move this duplicate that's been flipped with the move tool, so it's joining the original, and we've got our seamless join. Now you're ready to start extruding. So if you click on one of our components, you'll have you'll have the box. Double click it, you're inside the component. Then you can start extruding, push-pulling. Then you can hit S and scale up and down, and you can start creating your character. You won't be able to extrude that face as a new face until you scale it. So go back and extrude it out. So if I click away and then click back in and then go and extrude, it's not going to create a new face to extrude. So to do that, you can scale it. Okay, to scale a face, if you double click, go into the component and then hit S, you'll have a figure down here that you've scaled it by. You can change that to 0.99 and then extrude that face out, and there's not much of a difference there. But you do need to scale it before you can extrude it again. So in this way you can work towards extruding a character that could be your hybrid that you can use for your project.